Hi everyone, in this video we have grade 8 chapter 3 section 4 law and variable, page 100. In the law and variable, it's about those equations that we have more than one variable, like here we have v, we have f, we have s plus 2. We have more than one variable, more than one letter. In this case, the question asks you to solve for one of them. Here it asks us to solve for v. In this one asks us to solve for s. In the other lessons we have studied that whenever we solve for something, it means we put this thing, this letter, this variable in one side of the equation, all the others we bring to the other side. Now when it asks us to solve for v, it means we need only v in one side of the equation. We need to bring all others to the other side. Here we have v plus f equals s plus 2. Plus f, we have to change to the other side. V equals s plus 2. Just we change the place of plus f to the other side, which would be minus f. We said whenever we change anything to the other side of the equation, the sign would be changed. Now if we arrange normally, we write the numbers at the end. It would be v positive s minus f plus 2. The same thing, only we arranged. We bring negative f to here and positive 2 to the other side after it, because we just arranged. We didn't change the place of negative f to the other side. Be careful about that. In this case, that we only arrange after the equal, the sign would be the same. Negative f plus 2 plus 2. In the case if we bring to the other side, we change its sign. In the next one, we have v plus f equal s plus 2. In this case, asks us solve for s. Solve for s, it means we need only s in one side of the equation. What else we have with it? Plus 2. Plus 2 we bring to the other side. V plus f minus 2 equals s. That's all about solving this equation, which is here we have only s equals something. Here we just have equals something else. That's how we solve the law and variables whenever we have an equation with more than one variable. Then if you solve some other questions, let's see how we do. When it asks us to solve for something, one of them, a equals pi r power 2. Solve for r. And another one, y equals x power 2 plus 1. Solve for x. In the first one that asks us to solve for r, at first we know that the equation is here. We have more than one variable, which is a r. We have solve for r. But if we look, we don't have any plus and minus between them. In this case, we said whenever we don't have plus minus between them, whatever we have with the unknown value that we solve for this one, we divide both of the sides by the same thing. A over pi equals pi r power 2 over pi, because with the r we had pi, we divide both of them by pi. This pi with this one can be cancelled. Now in this side we will have only r power 2. In the other side we will have a over pi. And in the last lesson we studied whenever we have power 2, we can take the square root of both of them, because square root and power 2 will be cancelled together. Then square root of a over pi equals square root and power 2 will be cancelled together equals r. That's how we solve. The other one, solve for x. Solve for x, it means we want x equals something. We have plus 1 with it. Directly we move to the other side. Y minus 1 equals x power 2. And we have power 2. Take square root for both of them. Then power 2 and square root will be cancelled. Y minus 1 equals x, or x equals y plus x equals y minus 1 in the square root. That's how we do it. This would be the final result. This would be the final result for this one. Whenever it asks you to solve for one of the unknown variables, anyone it is, at the end you must have this variable in one side with power 1 with coefficient of 1. That's all about law and variables. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.